Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today's video is our last full day here in Nags, North Carolina. We are up and at 'em at 9:42. Mostly everything opens up after 10, so if you are from North Carolina or in the area of Nags, please comment down below why everything opens up later and then closes early. That is one of the main questions that we are wondering while down here visiting and trying to go to a different couple of places. We've noticed that places open up at 10, they close at like 5. So yeah, we're just wondering that. But anyways, we're up and out at Dunkin' Donuts. Yesterday when we went, we were over on Roanoke Island and we tried to get breakfast from there. Unfortunately, they didn't have the bacon strips. They were out of those. So we came to a different one this morning just before getting our morning started. So everybody is up and ready. And so since this is our last day, we are trying to get as much done as possible, as much planned as possible. So one thing I'll say is that this coupon book has been a lifesaver. There's like a lot of great things that you guys can find inside of these coupon books. They're everywhere. You know, if you're looking for somewhere to eat, or if you're looking for like shopping, if you're also looking for dining, or if you're also looking for things such as activities. Like I said, really great book, and it is free. So also another thing to do is like print your coupons offline. That makes it really easy as well. Definitely planning out your day makes it easy. So we'll just see what we get into today, as today is our last full day, and then tomorrow we will be checking out before 11 because that is when our checkout time is. So we have done all of our souvenir shopping, I think, but I think I have one more special person that I need to get something for when I come back, and I need to get ready to send it off in August. So definitely need to go ahead and search for her. So yeah, honestly, I would drop everything and move out here and hopefully find a good teaching job out here. But we all know how that goes. It's not more than one school out here. It is probably like one per county, unlike where I am in the city. So I think for our next adventure, we're going to wander off to, so we have ventured off to Glaxay, where it is 2 18-hole courses. So everybody is ready for some Glaxay golf. There are just a couple of parking spots that you guys can use when coming to Glaxay Golf.
They're not really going to the beach the right way.
I don't know. That's just how she's done.
Cameron, do you do like swing it like that?
Alright, so Glaxay Golf is $8 per person. So if all 4 of us were doing it, it would have been $32, but it was only $16, considering the fact that both kids were the only 2 playing. Me and Charles just decided to let them explore, have fun, and not have to play by any rules. So we did not follow through with this rule book, but the kiddos had fun trying to shoot the golf balls into the holes. So Glaxay Golf is open from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. at nighttime. It is a seasonal 36-hole outdoor miniature golf course featuring obstacles with an outer space theme. And one thing I can say about this is that it's fun, it's inexpensive, and it's just a miniature golf course located right across the beach in Nags Head. All right, so Glaxay Golf is a hit for sure. The kids are having a good time. Got like 2 waterfalls. Definitely hot out here, but you know, it is what it is. So as part of it being our last day, we are gonna go to the beach. We just aren't telling them yet. We do have something booked for later at 3:30. Alright, so we are at Ben Franklin. That's open from 9 to 9. So those of you who don't know what Ben Franklin is a souvenir shop in Nags Head that basically we only went in because I had a coupon. Yes, a coupon where I could get a free Outer Banks sticker with my purchase over $10. I definitely spent over $10 and Charles did too. So we got 2 free tie-dye Outer Banks stickers. That is one of the reasons why I went in here. But I also wanted to go in here to try and find my best friend something to ship to her. Let's go get some lunch, family. Alright, so we're at Snowbird Burgers and Cones. Snowbird Burgers and Cones is located in Nags Head, and they have all of the coolest ice cream cones with a variety of flavors, over 15 different toppings for you to choose from. A lot of their food can be found on their menu on their website if you look it up and you're in that area. So they have definitely some cold treats such as snow cones, milkshakes, ice cream, Dole Whip, banana splits, sundaes, and then of course they have burgers, hot dogs and fries. The fries are to die for. Also they have the old school bologna sandwich, steak and cheese, Outer Banks sandwich, fish taco, fried chicken sandwich, Greek gyros, and then they also have baskets, fries, onion rings, hush puppies, dill pickle chips, shrimp, half a pound of shrimp, or you can get a whole pound, fried shrimp boat, and fried dolphin boat.
Look at Mama.
Hey, he's cutting me.
Yes, Skylar. Look. That's all right.
I got a mine is called Old School Bologna Sandwich. Yes, that's mine. And then Sky got the hamburger with a pickle and ketchup only. Everybody got fries because these were $10 meals, which is not bad.
Put your bear down.
Anyways, back at the hotel, I did get onion rings. I am not eating it with tartar sauce. And then I got a old school bologna sandwich. So I just want to show you guys my haul for today. I ended up getting 3 pair of sandals for my mom. They were priced at $2.99 each. I also got 2 pair for my best friend. They wear the same size, so I was able to remember to grab those, and then I went ahead and got the colors that I wanted. I also got the kids some back to school clothes out of Gap. So roughly I only spent about $4 to $5 or $6 per item that you see here. And so they had a really great deal. Even though these tags are saying that's this price, it was an additional 45% off of the tags. So yes, we had a really great time going back over to see what we've seen, and I'm glad that we decided to go back over and get the kids some other stuff as well. So yes guys, this is exactly what the hotel looks like on cleanup day, which is the day before we get ready to go home, especially when trying to organize for the beach one last time this afternoon. Trash, all of our towels, and all of our souvenirs and stuff that we bought. So this is exactly what it looks like. And of course sand gets in here, but they do have a broom. Alright, so we're back at the lighthouse trying to get this try. Chuck is up there right now. Baby, you okay? Y'all, let's just say that Charles got scared, and Yeah, so $20 wasted on both of us to go up the lighthouse, and that we didn't do. So the lighthouse was a no-go. Charles got halfway up, got scared, and came back down. So we just ventured off into Blue Line to get some things for the beach and for the morning for when we have.
I know when this is in here.
Yep, you're drinking. All right, so we're gonna get ready to go to the beach in a little bit, and then we'll go crabbing again tonight. Should be fun. All right, we're back out. So we went back out to the beach for our last full day, and it was calling for rain, so we tried our best to hurry up. As you guys can see, everybody got that memo that it was going to be raining that afternoon because nobody was out there. This was around 5-6 o'clock that we chose to go out onto the beach for our last full day out in Nags, North Carolina. So we took kites, and then we just took all of our toys, and this time we went hunting for seashells and just to have a really great time, knowing that we will be heading back to Virginia in the morning. So we looked these things up the other day after we found them for day 2 of us being here, and they are called sea lice. No idea what they can really do to you or anything like that. We just didn't want to go deaf in details about the research. And he's gone again. So yeah, I tried to go live out here. Unfortunately, the connection was dropping. But thanks to those who did join in the other day when I did go live. Girl. So yeah, we're just out here enjoying the beach until the circumstances happen. I'm hungry. I have a Lunchable that I can eat back in the room, and the kids do too.
Yes, I said Lunchable.
Snacks out here, but I ain't trying to feed the damn what you call them thing? Sand is blowing in our faces.
Why? They would go straight down like a missile. Why?
Just woo, I got a sweat. But we did find all of these shells, as you guys can hear in the background. It is thundering. It's also lightning on this side. But it's a beautiful view out here, and until we get rained out, I guess we'll just sit here. Kids are having fun, just playing in the sand. Nobody's really out here with us, as you can see. So
that man that's trying to fish is still out here.
oh, okay, he's trying to fish. Just like that, I spoke it up. It's raining. Goodbye, Nags Head Beach. So we got rained off the beach. Couldn't go crabbing tonight.
That was weird. Weird.
But everybody's clean
Now we're in the bed.
and fed.
Daddy, what are you doing? Now we're in the bed.
And we go home tomorrow.
Mom, why are you doing that?
We go home tomorrow.
No. I'm gonna stay here more.
Me too.
My dad just doesn't want to sleep with me.
Cam's over there. Cam, are you staying or you going?
Go. Stay in. It was too sweet here. That's my last few words. Sweet tea.
Signing out.
Bubble wrap.
something. It was okay for a minute, but we want to go back to our man cave.
I'm staying here until maybe tomorrow.
I miss uni, man.
I do too.
I miss uni.
But I wish we could bring them.
I think we've had enough of this television, this bed, the sand.
This bed can't. These covers, they can't even move. Look, they're stuck. They're barely stuck. We're just trying to pull them when we're sleeping. Like when we first got in here and then got in the bed, we had to pull the covers because they won't like move.
Your girl is tired.
Agree. I was trying to sleep in the car.
I want a milk tea.